the Montra Backbeat has to offer some amazingly new features. Frame: Matte Rock Cartel 6061 aluminum alloy, post mount disc brake, available in blue and yellow color, 29 inch or 27.5 inch. Fork: Zoom 389 MLO, mechanical lockout system, 80 mm travel and coil spring. Crank: SXH 42 34 24 teeth, 170 mm arms, 3 speed. Bottom bracket Kenley KL08A, sealed bearings, square tapered steel caps. Shifters: Shimano STEF 500 EZ5 Plus, micro shifters ES 38 3x7 speed. Coxhead: Shimano Tourney TZ500, freewheel type 7 speed. Chain: KMC Z7 112 links 7 speed chain. Front and rear derailleur: Shimano FT TY500, top swing dual pull 3 speed. Shimano Tourney RD TY500 7 speed. Provides smooth shifting. Rims: XMR alloy double wall rims, 36 spokes, 25 mm height, hubs. Sunfeng SF HB25F, front and rear. 6-bolt disc. Tires: Maxxis Ardent, rigid bed 27.5 x 2.40. Paddles: Neko WP 163, resin body and cage. Brakes: Logan LB DX 2018, mechanical disc brake, 160 by 160 mm rotors. Handlebar: XMR steel 31.8 mm diameter, 30 mm price, 9 degree or 10 degree sweep, 680 mm width. Stem: XMR alloy 31.8 mm diameter, 80 mm extension, 10 degree rise, 41 mm height. Headset: threadless, low friction. Saddle: XMR trail saddle, high density foam steel rail. Seat post: XMR steel grips, XMR soft PVC grips, 130 mm length. Follow me on Instagram. Thank you.